These line of people going to eat. All these people going, I don't know, is this to eat or where they headed to? Oh, this is getting to the hospital. Oh, wow, okay. Wow. Look at that, that's the hospital right here. I didn't even realize there was a hospital right here. There's a long line just to get into the hospital. I don't know if that's a morning thing or what. I hope I don't sound too muffled. Maybe they're getting their shots today. Maybe that's what's going on. Hopefully that's what it is too. That's a long line. I'm thinking there's maybe people getting shots today. You know, vaccinations. Okay. It's a 24-hour hospital. That's good to know. Oh, disculpe. Yeah, disculpe. Yeah. Wow. Okay. I had a picture of this before. Not sure what it is. Hope it's not too bright. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. Let me get some light out of some light here. Yeah. I think this is the way I went to the Walmart one time, I think. Alright, I'll pick up in a few. Seems to be plenty of hospitals in this area. 2 hospitals within a couple blocks of each other. It's not bad. Okay. Revolution line too. I've got little stores to eat, so you can't be hungry when you get on the metro. And to buy things, magazines, everything. Salida. Up you know, I was probably supposed to go on the other side. That's the exit right there. Which they're gonna do really good. Make sure. Okay. That's not bad so far. Okay. Very clean. Wow. He's on the wrong side. That's what the other one. Okay. Yeah, this is yeah, gracias. Thank you. Yeah. Definitely with more people on this side. Give me that. No le agarran la onda. No. Sí, no están previendo la situación, las consecuencias. That wasn't too bad, but I'll talk about it in just a few. I was going to take the minibus, but that looked too complicated. Just so many buses, so many different names. And I don't have the patience. It's only 24-minute walk, so I can get my walk in this morning. So look at that. That's probably the bus I'm supposed to take, but I'm not even sure. But I can get my walk in. Let's get the walk in this morning. This area looks a little different. You can tell. Let me just show you. Right off the main road, busy traffic. Yeah. So. They got a unique system here about trash. Is that they don't put trash on the side of the road for you to pick up at a certain time. They'll be at a certain time, and they'll be in the neighborhood, and then they'll ring a bell, and that's pretty much letting you know that the trash truck is here. Bring out your trash. If you don't bring out your trash before they leave, then your trash don't get taken. So it's an interesting little system here. I thought it was just over in Roma and over the area where I'm at, but it seemed to be kind of everywhere. As you notice, there are no public trash cans either, so that's interesting. But it's still relatively, well, not necessarily here, but still relatively clean everywhere I've seen. So everywhere I've been, it seems relatively clean. So I think I'm gonna go right here. This area seems to be more of a laid-back area, like a working class area. Still pretty clean, but it's not as many trees or greenery as I've seen in Roma or Condessa area. Still, nevertheless, seem really quiet. Again, we in Coyocan. Somebody jamming this early in the morning, but I think that's the bus. Just imagine getting on that bus. See, that's the problem. When I got there, I was going to take the complete route for the metro and the bus, but those buses seemed too confusing. They were all different colors, all different sizes. They weren't clearly labeled, and I didn't have the time or the patience to try to test them out. So I said, hey, it's only a 24-minute walk. I need to get my morning walk in, so might as well just walk to get there. So that's what I'm doing, walking to get here. But I think if you ever come and move to an area and you just want to get away from the city, don't want to be near the city, this seems like a nice little trade-off, you know what I mean? Quiet, probably have everything you need. And if you want to live a quiet life, low-key life, I think this probably might be a decent neighborhood. I don't know price-wise what it's like, but cars wash early in the morning. That's the way to do it, I guess. Just come in and get your car washed, get you something to eat right quick, and be on your way. I like that. Hand wash. This is not a automatic. I don't think so. Oh yeah, it is. Okay, I see it over there. Okay. Little cobblestone old street right there. That's where I'm headed right there. Tierra Garat is the name of the cafe that we'll be having class in today. It's a nice little spot. I guess we're probably gonna go on the inside as opposed to outside. Okay, it's not bad. Actually, kind of cool little area over here. Okay. All right, so let me just do a quick review of the metro that I just got off of. As you know, I took the metro this morning, and I was going to take the metro, going to take the whole way here by taking the metro and the minibus. Metro was not as bad as I thought. Maybe, yeah, it wasn't bad as I thought. I mean, I guess if you come from a city that has a metro, I came from DC area, which has a massive transfer, so I'm used to crowded metro, you know what I mean? So in my mind, I guess when I read some of the stuff online about it being crowded, and I guess it can get worse, but I guess in my mind, I'm thinking Japanese type crowded. I've seen images online of the train in Japan, and that's just unreal. So it wasn't bad. I shared some images. There was one stop where it seemed like it was just, semi-crowded, and all of a sudden at one stop, it seemed like 50 people just jumped in at one time. So that was a little bit weird. That's when it got really crowded for that 1 minute. Then all of a sudden, it seemed like 2 stops later, they all jumped off. I can see how it can get hot. It wasn't hot because it's cool, and there's no air conditioning, but there's ceiling fans. Well, not ceiling fans. There's some type of ventilation system or fans that was on this morning, so it was not too bad for that. So all in all, it wasn't bad. It was clean. It wasn't bad at all, actually. So okay, I can do this. I can do this again. It's time to eat. I am going to really a falafel place, which is kind of a vegan restaurant, but it's only like a couple places out here that sell vegan food, so it's not a lot. So I'm actually going to get some falafel. So I will come back when I get there. All right, here it goes right here. Falafelito, which is falafel. I mean, I think everybody knows falafel is. Let's see what we got. Oh, we got like an outside area, which is kind of cool. It's not much space in there. Let's see what we got here. Falafelito. Espinita. Okay. Falafel. Okay. Let's see what they got in here. Small space. Yeah, since I ordered the ensalada, falafel ensalada combo, they brought me the lemonade, which is limon, some chips to go, and this is hummus, and the different sauces. So I'm gonna eat this first, and then I'll show you the falafel salad or ensalada falafel when it gets here. All right. Look at this massive falafel salad that he brought me. Oh my gosh. Now I have to admit, I do need some. This is like something you prepare for a party or something, but I'm not sure what all of this is, but it definitely looks good, and I'm gonna eat most of it. It looks good. Presentation is key. So obviously I had the hummus, I had the lemonade, and now this massive salad. So we'll figure out what the falafel tastes like. Wow, this is great. 130 pesos, which is about $6.50, which is not bad at all for a nice big massive salad, hummus, something to drink. Not bad. All right, so let me just kind of tell you, I just ate that falafel and salad, basically. It wasn't a salad in a traditional sense. It's pretty much the same ingredient that you put inside of it, like a pita bread. If you was getting a falafel with pita bread and all the stuff that goes in it, it was just a plate of a hefty portions of the items that normally go inside of a pita bread, which wasn't bad because I actually need some vegetables. I mean, even though I don't eat meat, but you can't find yourself eating a lot of bread and a lot of things other than meat. You know what I mean? Oh no, excuse me. Other than vegetables or fruit. Well, you can find a lot of fruit too, but anyway, right now I'm headed back to the metro. I'm gonna take the metro home, obviously, and I will show you what it looks like on the inside. You know, because obviously it was kind of busy this morning. It's about 2 o'clock. I get there probably about 2:30, so I kind of give you inside. I mean, kind of a look on the inside of what it looks like, or what the crowd is like during the middle of the day. Yeah, let me go ahead and end this video for the day. It was definitely a busy day, packed day. Just a little comment on the metro that I just got off of. It was definitely busy. I wouldn't say it was packed or crowded, where at times it were crowded. I mean, I was able to get a seat just because I started at the beginning of the line, but it got kind of crowded. So it sounds like it doesn't really matter. It's obviously more crowded in the morning, but the afternoon is not less crowded, but it is less busy. So just prepare that it's always going to be busy no matter what. And a lot may depend on the line. I was on the blue line, both cases. I don't know if the other lines are less crowded or more crowded, but the blue line is definitely just as crowded. So yeah, anyway, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget my name is Lee. My channel is Just Go Lee, and that's what I'm doing. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and click that notification bell for the next video. Thank you for watching.